3.15 million rand for a hatchback? Are you crazy? You'd have to be. You'd have to be on crack, I think. But if you've got some cash to burn and you want the hottest hot hatch there ever was, the most powerful 2-litre 4-cylinder engine there ever was, then go ahead. You do you. And then also let me drive it or whatever. Of course, it is the Mercedes-AMG A45 S 4MATIC. And don't think it won't sell in South Africa, because we have the third most popular market for MGs in the whole adult. The yellow adult. We are third. Thank you, Cars Dakosa, for that tip. I didn't know that, and that, for me, is hella interesting. So, like I say, this has got a 2-litre 4-cylinder little engine under here, little turbo, and, well, it gives you 310 kilowatts and 500 Newton meters. It is like pure genius engineering. It will get you to 100 kilometers per hour in less time than a Porsche 911 would. Like, I don't know if one can fathom like how incredible that feat is actually. So it will take you 3.9 seconds to get to 100 kilometers per hour. Oh my God, it's fast. It is so fast. And what makes it so fun and so sort of glorious to drive, you got this race function mode, you know, you sort of left foot brake, let the revs like get up to, and then you just, but you off in a straight line, so composed, like minimal sort of tire screeching and like smoke and everything. It's almost like less drama but more fun in a way. I can't really describe it, but also taking this into corners is unreal as well. Like there's minimal understeer. It's like the setup has been geared towards just like boosting your confidence, because the grip is unreal. I think that you'd have to be a pretty cuck driver to become, or to kind of, yeah, to get unstuck in this car. To come unstuck. You know what I mean, man? Cool. We are now in race mode. Pop, 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 pop. Oh, I look like such a doers. But I don't care. I don't care. I have one little I have a couple of critiques, but anyways, it's very noisy, this car, and I don't mean the lovely exhaust sound and all that jazz. I mean like the whole build, like the whole setup. It's like everything moves and is like whatever. And also, for a car that costs this amount, I want an electrically adjustable steering wheel and an electric adjustable, did I say steering wheel? Seat and steering wheel, for f***ing sakes, you know? I just think like, sherbet, don't take the piss now. I mean, I don't even know whether it's worth talking about the interior. This has got a lot going on here, this MBUX system or whatever. Like, it's amazing, but it's a lot. And I don't have time to go through all of it. I think if you own the car, obviously you would have like fun. Can you hear the one? I mean, look, I think you're still pretty much on crack if you do buy one. But because you could get the A35, which is cheaper, but it's fun. It's just obviously not this. But then we've got the RS3 Sportback coming sometime soon, so that's going to be interesting. I sort of fear what is to come in the future after something like this. Like, not only are these cars just sort of so powerful, but they kind of do all the driving for you as well, which is probably a good thing. But I can just hear like the old school like car enthusiasts being like, no, this is not how it should be. You know, like music, where they'll be like, this, like Billie Eilish, this is not music. It's not music. It's like the Stones is music. But Billie Eilish is incredible, and she's sort of pioneered into like breaking barriers and creating new music and different things and stuff. And that's what this is doing as well, I guess. Like, we just have to hang on. Fuck it. Anyway, it was a bit extreme, sorry. Well, speaking of Billie Eilish, it's only fair that we play her. Tricky, this thing's very tricky for me. Oh, she's good. And this is good.
I'm not your friend of anything. I think therefore I am. Stop.
Hey.
What the hell are you talking about? Get my
She's cool. I want to be this cool. Ooh, let's go.
press to put your name next to mine. We're on different.